Yes, blessed family of Israel. Today I'm just gonna whip up a little quick little dinner. So catch me on this little cooking adventure. First and foremost, we have to give our praises unto the Most High, yeah, and His beloved Son Yahweh Shai, for blessing us with all things. So right now, what I'm gonna make is a tuna stir fry. So right here, this is my ingredients. I'm gonna put in a tuna stir fry. So I got a little bit of chicken noodle soup base, cabbage, thyme, onion, scotch bonnet pepper. So the first thing we have in our pot is the onion. I'm gonna saute it up first, and then I'm gonna put the thyme, the scotch bonnet pepper, and the cabbage. So my onion sauteed up, I'm gonna put those ingredients in. There's thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and the cabbage. Now adding in the tuna. Adding in the chicken seasoning. Adding in the rice. So the rice is in, so adding a dash of cayenne pepper. Adding in pimento seed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stir this up and let it cook for 5 minutes. So I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of spaghetti sauce. Spaghetti sauce is in, so I'm going to stir this up. So this is my tuna stir fry, so it's all done. Take it over the share.